Hello, what's up YouTube? In this behind the scenes, I'll be showing you how you can easily take your studio images when it comes to doing a Valentine's Day themed kind of photo shoot. So in this video, we're going to be using the Nikon D810 and we're going to be using three lights. One is the main light right here. Then we're also going to be using one for the model's legs that you're going to be seeing later in the video, and one rim light as you can see. And all the three lights are the Godox AD 600 BMs. Then the model for today is Fauzia. You can see how smartly dressed she is, and unfortunately we are both, or coincidentally, we are both putting on red in this kind of video. So I hope you're going to be enjoying and learning and understanding more about studio photography. So we're just going to start shooting, but let me first of all demonstrate for you the lighting setup for this kind of video. So you can see this is the main light and it is the Godox AD 600 BM set to 1 out of 8 power. And also this light is for her legs because it's going to be eliminating the shadow from her legs, because the main light is going to be on the camera right, and it's going to be eliminating the shadows from her feet in this case, and the rim light is going to be on her right hand side to slightly separate the model from the background. So let's start shooting. So for my camera settings, I'm going to be shooting at f9, and also the shutter speed is 1 out of 200th of a second, and the white balance I'm going to be shooting at is at 5200 kelvins. Then basically that is that, and I'm going to be shooting in RAW. Then for my lights, the main light is going to be at 1 out of 8 power, that is the Godox AD 600 BM, and this other light is going to be at around a quarter power, or 1 out of 4, and that other light is going to be at 1 out of 16 power. So that is the rim light. So let's start shooting. So just put that the second hand on your thigh, just like that. Yeah, this is perfect. Can I have 1 foot behind? Yeah, like that. Then slightly turn this side. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Nice. Just come closer. Okay. Just close your eyes, then raise the glass higher. Yeah. Let me get one more. This is perfect. Okay. Can I have you turn completely towards this side? Okay. Yeah, I like that. Let me see. Yeah, this is perfect. Can you just stretch it, the glass, just stretch it towards me? Yeah, I like that. Lower. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, perfect. Let me just get half of that. Just stretch it. Yeah, this is perfect. So let's have more of the side view. Just stand completely. Can you? Yeah. Cross. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that. This is nice. Okay. Okay, just a little sip. Closer. Just raise your chin a little bit more. Yeah, like that. Nice. Yeah, this is perfect. So, can I have both hands on the glass? No crossing. Just switch the feet. Cross them from down. No, from down. Just leave both down. Yeah, like that. Nice. Perfect. Just put that other hand on your chest once again. Okay. Can you have some photos when you're standing? No, you can leave it there. Just place one hand down and just cross. Okay? Oh, it is too short. Just need something extra in the shot. Just push this side. Yeah? Just cross. I'll just get this out of your shot. This side. Yeah, that's fine. And I think always remember to direct your models as you're trying to shoot, because this builds so much more confidence. Perfect. Let me get half of that. Nice. Can I have, just hold the glass from in front, then one hand just place it there. Lower. Yeah. Okay. Get the full version of that. Can you lower the glass slightly? Yeah, I like that. Slightly lower your chin. Okay, just look towards the wall with a smile. So in this next session, the model had to sit down, and basically when your model sits down, you always have to adjust the light so that it is in line or closer to your subject, because right now she is seated and that is what we have to do. We have to put the light closer to her. So in this case, I had to reduce the light to the side or to the direction where the model was, and in this case she was sitting down. That is why I moved the light closer to her by adjusting it slightly. So the other thing you have to take into consideration while you're taking these photos is always interact. And as you can see here, we are doing so much of the interaction and we are trying to get the job done, and we had to get the best photos from this kind of session. And every single time you are taking, always make sure that you check the back of your camera screen so that you can have or achieve the best kinds of results from your photo shoot. So every single time I take a shot or I take a photo, I always tend to look at the back of the camera screen so that I can be precise and love the result of what I'm going to be editing later on after the photo shoot. But as you're trying to check on the screen camera, always make sure that you are also directing the model and telling her to change different poses and place the hand in different positions, because this is going to benefit you later on. So after I had taken that shot, I had to tell the model to stand up. Yeah, I had to tell her to stand up and remove the chair. So when she stood up, remember initially we had adjusted the light and we had taken it to a waist level. So right now she was going to squat rather. So when she's squatting down, I had to bring the light further down, closer to where she is, so that the light can fill her up in a better and more natural kind of way. So we had to take these shots too. And I think when you're taking your studio images, always make sure that you have a prop, and in this case we just wanted to do a Valentine themed kind of photo shoot. That is why she was putting on red, but as a prop or an addition, we had to improvise and bring in the wine glass. So this wine glass was going to help us kind of not make the photos look plain. That is why we had to improvise and make sure that she plays around with the glass while holding it from different positions, so that you can have the best photos from this kind of session. So hoping you're loving this, and don't forget to hit the like button on this video, and also subscribe to the channel if at all you are watching and you're not yet subscribed to this channel. So here what I was instructing her, I told the model to place the glass down, and we had to take some photos without her holding the glass. So remember, initially the light was down, so I had to adjust it a little bit higher so that it is pointing from an angle, because right now she was standing and the light had to be slightly above her head. So that is what we had to do. So in this case, I told the model to do that kind of stand on one leg, but put the weight on the other leg to bring out her curves and make her look better. And you know, ladies with curves, so that is the result that we had from that kind of moment. So we had to redo it so it can look better and natural. And I was cracking some jokes, that's why she was laughing, and voila, I had to capture that shot too. So this is what we are achieving. So I hope you're learning some tips. You can see every single time I take a photo, you can see the direction of my hands or my arms. I try to make the model turn in a given direction, because I always want to capture the best moment. So you can see by just moving slightly or changing the position or the direction of the first pose, we had to achieve, or we got a slightly better looking or better pose. And as usual, keep on changing on the direction, and make sure you have a variety of photos taken from the photo shoot, because this is going to widen the selection. And if at all you charge for additional photos as a photographer, you are going to be benefiting, because the client or the model will have to select more photos, meaning your pocket will be a little bit more happier, and you're going to be earning more as a photographer. So take more photos and you're going to be good to go, and you're going to be benefiting so much as a photographer. So we had to take a couple of photos in this case, and you can see how nice the images turned out to be. And this was us. So I had to do this kind of voiceover because I don't know what happened to the mic, and it turned off as you're trying to conclude the shoot. So I told her to do one final pose and told her to slightly raise her hand, and later on look at her palm as we are taking the last photo. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Simply like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Ronix from Ronix Photography.